34 years old.
Wow.
And I lost my husband 1.5 years back, due to cancer. When I was actually introduced by my daughter to this community, I didn't know anything about this community, and I even didn't know that my daughter was involved in this community because she lives in Bangalore. And at that time, in the month of October, I had a very bad incident. I lost all my money in a cyber scam, and within 2 months was my son's wedding.
So welcome once again to another RTF Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful, amazing, energetic queen, which is Bhuvna. And she's a beautiful woman and has got amazing results in her life. So I would not take much of your time, and I would want you to hear it straight from Bhuvna's mouth. What is her win? So Bhuvna, if you could just introduce yourself to everyone in our community and even outside, and also talk about which area would you like to share about your wins particularly. So over to you, Bhuvna. Just introduce yourself and talk about your journey before and after.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I am Dr. Bhuvna Ramchandran, a retired professor. Currently, I am a research professor guiding scholars in their research. And I live in Mangalore, and I have a daughter who is 37 years old and a son who is 34 years old.
Wow.
And I lost my husband 1.5 years back, due to cancer. When I was actually introduced by my daughter to this community, I didn't know anything about this community, and I even didn't know that my daughter was involved in this community because she lives in Bangalore. And at that time, in the month of October, I had a very bad incident. I lost all my money in a cyber scam, and within 2 months was my son's wedding. So being a woman alone, I had to make all the arrangements for the wedding. I didn't know what to do. So all my accounts were swept completely. And at that time, my daughter, she told, I'm going to introduce you to a community. This is my Diwali gift to you, Mama, she said. And then I just joined. It was 7th of November. It was the first Nidhi Nova mission. So I was taught how to create the metaversal star. So I thought, now I have only 3 weeks time, exactly in 4 weeks time, and I need to do something. So when Ritu ma'am, she told me you create a metaversal for 6 months. So I made a metaversal for 6 months, but the wedding is going to happen within a month. What am I going to do? Then I approached my mentor. So I asked her, can I have a metaversal for a shorter duration? She said, of course you can have. So that day I just started my metaversal, and spiritually, I just followed. I didn't know anything about the community. Blindly, I just followed everything. 369, Ho'oponopono, everything I did. And I kept my date as November 26th. I have to receive at least 16 lakhs to perform the wedding reception. And around before November 26th only, I manifested most of the money. I didn't know how it came. I trusted the universe, and it started pouring like that. And one thing I thought, where I lost, from there only money should come. But Ritu ma'am told, no, even if your mother is giving, even if your siblings are giving, anywhere it comes, universe is giving to you, you have to accept it. Then I changed my mind. So if anywhere money comes, I have to take. And to my surprise, money started pouring from all corners. And suddenly I realized around, more than 14 lakhs I got. November 26 got over. Then 2.16 was my number. I was just waiting. 2.16 I needed. And to my surprise, my son had arrived. And for the pre-wedding rituals, I took my son and I boarded the train. Within 10 minutes, I was really surprised. Now also I get goosebumps. Exactly 2.16 lakh came to my account.
Wow.
And this was a great win. And not only that, after that, at the wedding reception, being a single woman, all my relatives, all my friends who were attended, they told, Bona, you have done a great job. Such a grand reception it was. Everybody appreciated me. That was my greatest win.
Amazing. Thank you. So I'm having goosebumps as you're talking this. I'm like, wow, how did this money come? So you shared that, I don't know how, but it came from somewhere. So would you like to share the sources, as in how did it come?
Yes. And it came from when I just told my mother, and she she said, don't worry, I am there with you. She sent me 10 lakhs and my siblings, 1 lakh is coming from the my mother-in-law. She sent me, she is also a widow, she 90 years old. Recently she passed away. Yesterday only I finished all the rituals and came. So she came for the wedding reception and she gave me 50,000 with whatever money she had. So from everywhere it poured. And that 2.16 was amazing. When I boarded the train, I was just thinking that 2.16, what should I do? My brother is sending me 50,000 and my elder brother who had come down from the US, he called me and told I lost my father. He was a senior most lawyer. And from the Bar Council Association, they told we have to give all the legal hair 1.66 each. And he calls me and tell, your check has come. Should I send it to you or should I credit to your account? 1.66 plus 50, 2.16 exactly, I got. And I performed the wedding so well. And not only that, and that belief, actually helped me to join the other community also, to diamond community. I thought, what will I do? I don't have money. Everything fell in place.
Yes, beautiful. Thank you so much for your faith, for your trust. But I personally feel that money came to her, but it was just not the money. It was her energy towards money.
Yes.
It was her mindset. It was her belief that transformed everything. So, money can come from anywhere and money is just money, but money is the energy that you hold towards money. And that changed, that shifted for her. Am I right, Bhuvna?
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So now do you feel
because I trusted, I followed the tools given by you and really it works. I really telling it works.
It works like magic. Yes.
Yeah.
But yes, magic comes because you become magic. Yes. So once you become magic, then automatically the magic starts to manifest everywhere around and you start seeing magic. So thank you so much, Bhuvna, for sharing this, inspiring our communities, inspiring so many other people who are still, doubting and thinking that whether they'll be able to make it, because the world today just needs hope. And I think you are an epitome of hope, because yes, if this can happen with her, this can happen with anyone and everyone.
Because that system really works. You have to blindly trust the system. I did that and it worked for me.
Thank you so much. So anything else which you would love to share if it is in your mind?
I would just recommend anyone, because I see, so not only that, now I have started, teaching Ho'oponopono to others also, and they come with the problems, and I just suggest, and you do this and you will see. You trust 3 months, you do, and after that you will see the results, because I have seen the results. I didn't even do for more than 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, results started coming to me, because I honestly 100% trusted the system and I just got into it, and it works. And I would recommend anyone, to just follow the system blindly and jump into it. Definitely you will see the results.
Thank you so much for sharing this, and lots of energy and lots of love to you, Bhuvna.
Thank you so much.
Your money frequency, your career frequency, your health, your relationship, all just flourish and flourish and flourish. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Meti Miraki.
Meti Miraki.